India stocks higher at close of trade, Nifty 50 up 0.38%. Investing.com, India stocks were higher after the close on Friday, as gains in the oil gas, banking, and fast-moving consumer goods sectors led shares higher. At the close in NSE, the Nifty 50 rose 0.38%, while the BSE Sensex 30 index climbed 0.24%. The best performers of the session on the Nifty 50 were Grasim Industries Ltd, which rose 4.48% or 77.10 points to trade at 1,797.65 at the close. Meanwhile, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Ltd added 4.14% or 6.25 points to end at 157.05, and Hindalco Industries Ltd was up 3.01% or 14.40 points to 493.50 in late trade. The worst performers of the session were Bajaj Finserv Ltd, which fell 1.46% or 262.90 points to trade at 17,723.60 at the close. Mahindra Ltd declined 1.29% or 10.85 points to end at 829.00, and Bajaj Finance Ltd was down 1.15% or 88.90 points to 7,659.35. The top performers on the BSE Sensex 30 were Asian Paints Ltd, which rose 1.79% to 3,576.45, Tata Consultancy Services Ltd, which was up 1.26% to settle at 3,854.85, and Nestle India Ltd, which gained 1.23% to close at 19,888.75. The worst performers were Bajaj Finserv Ltd, which was down 1.39% to 17,736.00 in late trade, Mahindra Ltd, which lost 1.31% to settle at 828.95, and Larsen Toubro Ltd, which was down 1.06% to 1904.75 at the close. Rising stocks outnumbered declining ones on the India National Stock Exchange by 1,012 to 777, and 32 ended unchanged. On the Bombay Stock Exchange, 2022 rose and 1276 declined, while 79 ended unchanged. Shares in Asian Paints Ltd rose to all-time highs, gaining 1.79% or 62.75 to 3,576.45. The India VIX, which measures the implied volatility of Nifty 50 options, was down 2.09% to 17.6025. Gold futures for February delivery was up 0.11% or 2.00 to $1,791.20 a troy ounce. Elsewhere in commodities trading, crude oil for delivery in February rose 1.13% or 0.90 to hit $80.36 a barrel, while the March Brent oil contract rose 1.09% or 0.89 to trade at $82.88 a barrel. US dollar to Indian rupee was down 0.14% to 74.315, while euro to Indian rupee rose 0.04% to 84.0140. The US dollar index futures was down 0.16% at 96.175.